Almost a year ago, I started my journey as a game developer for a game I had in mind. This, unfortunately, did not work the way I envisioned it, so I wanted to try again. Everyone tells me to start off small, and that's what I did. So I started working on this game. It's called Well-Fed. The goal for this game is to survive the harsh winters and to stay alive. Try and harvest enough food so you can survive. It's optional to accept villagers into your village and expand and unlock more things. But watch out, if the villagers don't have enough food, they will try and kill you just to survive themselves. This only happens after they stole all your food, so farm enough and keep everyone happy. For the in-game time, one season is 3 months. There are only 18 days in a season, so there are 6 days in a month. Each month is, for now, 1 real-life hour, so each day is about 10 minutes. A year is then 72 in-game days. This is the equivalent to 4 hours. All of the above applies when the player chooses to sleep. If the player doesn't choose to sleep, all of this is doubled, so a year in-game should be 8 hours in real life. I've made a small section of a test map for now, just to make player movement work. This is all going to change in the future, so here I've added a player, changed some settings and added the code. The code isn't working for now, but I've changed it when I was testing. So if some of you are interested in the working code, just let me know and I'll put it into the description. Then the crafting system. You have to craft a handbook or a notebook to get crafting recipes. All of the items will have a crafting recipe except for seeds and plants. So you have to collect items to create a hoe or a shovel to plant seeds and to harvest other materials to survive. The crafting system is not well thought of at the moment, so it's a work in progress. But you can find everything here. Once you level up a tool, you can still find lower tools in the crafting book because you will need them at some point. This is an example of what this screen will look like. The time in the top corner with the exact time below that. Then the day count itself, then the season, and then the year. The season is the most important thing to look at, because you need to plant or harvest some seeds in specific seasons, like rosemary in spring, or lettuce in spring or fall. This is because it's too hot or too cold in summer or winter to grow them. So keep that in mind. All the specific information about plants and seeds can be found in my book eventually. For the last test I've made some more blocks and updated the map. So I added dirt and water, so the map is more lively. After that I added some trees as well. I have not decided if the bottom of the map will be 3 layers deep or it's going to be any deeper. So you can dig down and harvest some stone or other materials down there. Then again I've planted some trees and I tested the walking animation again. Next devlog I want to add a day-night system, the time itself, maybe add the weather system if there's time for that, and add basic blocks in to make map making easier. For now, thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next devlog video for Well Fed.